Morning, friends. Living under the blessing of God, we read Proverbs 10, verse 22. The blessing of the Lord makes one rich, and he adds no sorrow with it. Please pray with me. Lord, today I thank you that your blessing brings peace, not pressure. I reject the lie that blessing must come with anxiety or striving. Your word reminds me that what you give does not carry sorrow with it. Teach us to recognize the difference between your blessing and self-made success. I choose rest over rush and trust over control. Let your blessing shape my pace and my priorities. I release the need to prove myself. Today I receive what comes from your hand with joy and humility. I trust that your blessing enriches my life in every way that truly matters. I walk in peace today, knowing that what you give is good. Amen.